Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the MSI Summit A16 AI Plus, A3HM. To see the internals of this big transformer, you have to undo 7 Phillips head screws. Pry the top 2 edges starting as close as possible to the hinges. Then, pop the sides and the front. The back should be last. This device has a big 82 watt-hour battery. To take it out, carefully pull the connector towards the unit and undo the 4 Phillips head screws that secure the battery in place. You have to unglue the rubber caps that are on top of the screws. The capacity is enough for around 12 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Energy Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Eco Silent mode applied in the MSI Center S app. The balance mode should be selected in the BIOS in the User Scenario section. Since that's a thin Copilot plus 2-in-1 notebook, the memory is soldered. According to the manufacturer, all devices of this MSI series come with 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, 7,500 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode, which should be enough for most users. The Wi-Fi 7 card is replaceable, which is nice. When it comes to storage, you can rely on just one M.2 slot compatible with 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. A thermal pad cools the NVMe from below. The cooling has a pair of fans, 2 heat pipes, 1 large heatsink, and 2 heat spreaders.